Hey everyone, it's Darlene here and I'm so excited. Guess what came in the mail today? Of course, my BoxyCharm, and I just cut it open. I do not know what's in here. I did write down, because this month they did not put the card in here, so I wrote down what it, like, the prices and everything. I just wrote like Becca, and then I wrote the price, but I didn't look what the items actually were. I just wrote the name. I didn't read through it, and I just actually put how much. So I don't know exactly what's in here. I kind of know the brands, but I don't know what products they put in here. So this is what the box looks like this month. It's a little smaller. Of course, it's not the Luxe, so it is usually a little smaller, a bit bigger than the original one. Okay, so the first thing that we see is nothing. It's styrofoam. Okay, so you guys are gonna get the first sneak peek. Ooh, yes. What is that? Facial radiant pads. So this is by, I'm guessing it's First Aid Beauty, and they are helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So they're just like cleaning pads. Cool. Let me see if it has like a seal or anything. Okay, so it is sealed, so I don't know what it smells like. I'm not going to open it just yet, just because I have a lot of skincare that I'm using right now, and so I'll save this for a little bit later. And this retails for $16. The next thing that I see in the box is face cleaning wipes. So why would they give me two face things? And this is by Evo Skin. And this retails for $10. I'm kind of disappointed that they gave me two face cleaning things, because like why would I need two face cleaning things? I already have so much skincare, it's like insane. Like if you would see my vanity right now, my sink, it's crazy. Okay, so the next thing that I see that's in the box is this Ciate London Everyday Vacay. Is this another highlight? I think I got a highlight from this brand last month. I did get a highlight from this month from this brand. Okay, so this is something else. This is, oh, this is a setting powder. I ain't gonna complain about that. I love setting powder. I have a lot. So it is just a clear translucent. It kind of looks like really white, like it's gonna look chalky on the skin. Just to let you guys know that I do videos throughout the month when I receive my products, and I show like how the products work on my face and stuff. I won't be using these just because I'm not going to open them just yet. I'll probably keep these actually in my car, because like when I come home from church and stuff, because our church is an hour away, so sometimes like we don't get home till like 10-11 o'clock at night, and then my kids are all screaming, and it's just so much work to have to go wash my face and stuff. So I might just keep these in the car so that I can clean off my face on the way down. And then keep like a face lotion or something, so I won't have to do that when I get home. Just brush my teeth and go to bed. So this is pretty cool, and this retails for $22. So that's, I'm excited about that. We'll see how it works. It does look like it would be kind of like just chalky looking, just because it's so white, but it may be translucent and not like you won't be able to see it. Actually can use some powder right now, so hey, let's go ahead and break into this, because the next item that I see is actually these brushes by Alamar Cosmetics. I love her, Gabby. She used to actually be she used to work for BoxyCharm. I don't see her on the news feeds anymore. So this is the first brush that I see, and it is a bronzer brush, but it feels like you could use it for foundation, maybe a little flimsy, so it might suck up product if you did use it for a foundation, but like if you were in a hurry, you could use that. And then let's go ahead and see the rest of these. They have a complexion brush and a brightening brush. So that would actually be really good just to set powder under your eyes and wipe it away. You could probably use it for contouring. Ooh, that's actually a really good contour brush. And that is a complexion, or you can use it as blush. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with this powder that we got, so you guys can kind of see how it works in action. I don't know why I always put it back in the box, because I always just end up reopening it. So there is a plastic film that goes over it. So we're just gonna see how this stuff works. I just like to grab a little bit, put it in the lid. And just kind of pat it on your face. Try to absorb some of that oil. It does look like it worked really well, and I don't see a white overcast. So very nice. It is really finely milled. It kind of feels like the Laura Mercier powder, actually. So, not bad. A lot better than I was expecting. I thought it was going to leave like a white overcast, but it really didn't. So, super excited about that. And if I didn't mention, these retail for $36, and they are super soft. I don't see them to be shedding or anything like that. Pulling on them, this brush actually applied the powder pretty well. So yes, I'm excited about that. I actually needed another brush like this. I really didn't have one with a good curve like that, so I'm excited about that. Okay, the next thing that's in the box, and the last thing that's in the box, is this Becca foundation, and I got the shade Vanilla, and I was actually needing a new foundation, and me and my husband went into Ulta, and he was telling me to pick out a foundation. I told him I'm actually getting this Becca one, and I showed him, and he's like, I can't believe that you're getting that in your box. I'm like, right? So this is what the foundation looks like. Let me kind of pump it out to see what kind of coverage it's going to give. Okay, I just did a little pump. Ooh, it's actually really creamy. It has a really high-end foundation smell. It actually looks really pretty on the skin. I had a little scar right here, and it covered her right up. Let me go ahead and try to get this scar right here. And you can see I'm just blending the foundation that was left on my finger, and it's covering up that. So that is awesome. It really does match. They actually gave the option of what shades you wanted, and I think I did really well on matching my shade. So that is so awesome. I can't believe that we're getting foundations in the boxes. How exciting is that? I'm so beyond stoked about that. And this retails for $44. That is amazing. Full-size foundation. You can't beat that. So the total value of this month's box was $128, and I spent, what, $25? How awesome is that? That is so awesome. I can't believe this month's box is probably one of my favorite ones this year. I know it's only February, but this is an awesome box. I do wish that they would have given me something else other than like 2 face cleaning things. Like if they gave like a lipstick or something like that, I think that would have been better, just like giving me 2 of the same things. But I really like the fact that they gave a foundation and a setting powder, and then I got a concealer last month. So like my whole face is set. BoxyCharm, you guys are seriously stepping up the game. I am so happy to be a charmer. I actually wish that I could afford to get the premium box. Oh my gosh, I want it so bad, but I can't afford it. Unless my YouTube channel picks up, I won't be able to afford it. But that would be my dream, is to be able to get all 3 boxes and unbox them for you guys. But yeah, that completes this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. In the description box down below, I will be posting my referral code. If you want to sign up for BoxyCharm, all you have to do is click on the link, my BoxyCharm link that I'm going to link down below, and sign up. And then I get $5 in charms that I can spend in the charm room. If you don't want to, that's fine. It helps me. So if you'd be so kind to do that, if you do want to subscribe, that would be awesome. Hit the notification bell down in the corner below so that you'll be notified every time that I do upload. I do my monthly BoxyCharm unboxing videos every single month. And like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. Bye, God bless.